Hey, how we doing, guys? So in my last video, I did a review of this keyboard. So this is the Draconic, RedDragon Draconic, or the K350. So I did a review of that one, and it's been about a week now, and I have swapped out the keycaps and the key switches for this board. So I went ahead and ordered some Otimo blue switches from Amazon and swapped them out with the Otimo browns that come in the box. Now the browns are just, they're more linear and these blues are more clicky. I like the clicky sound. But what I didn't pay attention to when I ordered it from Amazon was the fact that the switches I ordered had terrible reviews. So some of the blue switches came with the incorrect orientation. They, like, some of them have like the plus signs on the inside and some of them have like an open square. So the caps that I was using was for the MX red switches, so they have that plus sign in the center. So all of the blues that I got didn't fit, and also some of the blues that I got, the plating underneath wasn't like clear, so the RGBs don't shine through at all. And then some of them were clear, so I just kind of mix and match. I got the entire board blue minus like the FN key, the control key, and the number row, which is actually pretty cool because when I'm reaching for a number, maybe like a game, maybe I want to switch weapons or something, it feels completely different when I tap on that key. All in all, though, it came out pretty good, and I want to just go ahead and get into it and let you guys see what it looks like. If you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like and comment down below. Let me know what you guys think, or if you like any videos like this in the future. Thank you guys for watching.